5 feet here, or 8 feet or so. So build your anchor. Let me know when you're ready. You got 15 minutes to build an anchor and see how long it will take you. Hey. Oh shit! Are we ready? You're on plane. Okay, climbing.
Okay, you got that lock right.
Yeah, nice fly.
Climb on, Mark.
You can use the tree.
So when do you start climbing, Mark?
Huh? Yeah, all the pieces pretty bummer. Have it up. Yeah. You never want to grab a beer at the top of the mountain. Just remember that. Now I'm gonna die if you drop it from here. It's like the perfect scenario of being outdoors.
What a good weather to climb. But it's already raining now.
Okay, you're good. It's gonna be a tough one, dude. Okay, climbing. That's me. Fuck. This is bad. Oh fuck.
It's raining hard, man.
This is gonna be tough for Okay, you can start climbing now. So everybody on the bench,